How to edit your product images. Having a good product image is important because it can greatly influence a customer's purchasing decision by providing a visual representation of your product. And this is also a key with having a high quality product images can also enhance the overall branding and the reputation of your business. So here with the Shopify account, it's really important for you to add a media for you to create your online store. So one of the editing platform that I'm using here is Canva, where I have signed in already with my account. And what I did here is that when you create a design, you can have a template or you can just have a custom size for your design here. So you can just click on create new design. Once you hit on create new design, here on the left side panel, there are a lot of templates that you can use, or you can manually add your own image of your product. And just to let you know, the Canva account that I have here is under a 30-day trial since it's a new account that I have. So I'll be able to use the features for Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So one of the features here that I like is the remove a background, where you can see that instead of just a plain white background, I can definitely switch it to whatever I like. Another platform here is the unsplash.com, where this is a website where you can use the images that are free of copyright. So you can definitely add this to your website as well, just to enhance the appearance or how your website will look. So here I'm just finalizing the image that I have for the product. I'm looking for a good background for the pants that I have for my store. Here you can also search for the elements like what textures you like. Here there are a lot of options here like graphics, photos, and even videos. So you're just setting it up here. It's a really convenient platform here where I can edit any images on the go. One of the things that you can do here as well is you can also edit your logo here on Canva. Once done, you can definitely go ahead and hit on share where you'll be able to download the image. Okay, that's it for today's video. That's how you will edit your product image for you to add it to your Shopify account. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.